evening, everyone. This is James from Dividend Stock Talk, where we talk about dividend stocks and investing for weekly and monthly cash flow. Today's Friday, where options expire, so let's jump on in and see what we have going on. Today is the 15th of December. It is 10:30 p.m. on a Friday, and it is, believe it or not, the third Friday of the month. So yes, all options did expire today. So I'm going to jump on in, see where we are, and see how our account is looking so far. All right. Now, we had 6 positions this week, so let's see, starting with AMT, and go from there and find out how we fared this week. All right, AMT is American Tower Corporation. They started out the year at 105, traveled a couple of weeks down in that, actually a couple of months in the 104, 105 area. And then from there, it's a nice shot up to the 142 area, 143, and it's been trading there for the past 3.5 months. Now, today was a down day, but let's see how we looked for AMT. There we go. Our trade for this week, we were looking at the 141, 142, so we actually made money on that one, and that makes me a happy camper. So AMT is a good one. Let's go to the second one, which is CAH. CAH is Cardinal Alt, I believe. Something like that. Anyway, looks like they were stair-stepping down from where they began the year out at 73. They traveled a month in the 73 area, about 5-6 weeks, something like that. And they jumped up to the high of the year of 84, 87, but it only stayed in that area for about a month and a half. And then she gaps down from 81 down to 71. So it's like losing $10 overnight. I hate it when that happens. But luckily, I didn't have any positions on CH at that time. Now, we're over here where they found a low of the year last month. And this month, we got the dividend coming up, and it's a nice, strong play with CAH. And where were we with them today? 59.5, 60, and she's at 63. Wow, wish I could have had one of those trailing stops, but no, this is just options only on this account. So that looked good. CME, let's look at CME. CME Group, we started out the year at 121.84, traveled in the 121, 122 area for about 9 months, and she finally broke out of that and headed for a high of the year of 155, settling in at 151 at the moment. And where are we with CME? CME, we have the 149, 150, and we're at 151.07. Wow, we just squeaked in on that one, but hey, making money, profit's profit no matter how you look at it. HUM. All right, Humana started out the year this year at 205. Traveled about 2 months actually it's about 3 months in the 205, 208 area, and slowly stair-stepped its way up to the high of the year of 264. Now they settled into the 250 area, which they've been traveling for the past couple of weeks. And where do we have Humana? Come on. All right, Humana, we are at 250, 252, 255. So apparently we have 20 contracts at 255, and we sold at 30 contracts at the 250, 250. So I'm not quite sure how that one worked out. Okay. Profit and loss since open, 325. Okay, I can deal with that. All right, so Humana is a profit also. Marvel, MRVL. Marvel started out the year at the low of the year at 1438, stair-stepping its way up to the 15, 16 area, then it jumps up to 17, then jumps up to 18, and then the last month she shot up to the high of the year at 24.28. Now, high of the year at 24.28 doesn't sound like much, but it is for Marvel. And where are we with Marvel? Marvel, we had the 21, 21.5, and we're at 21.62. So we made money on Marvel also, which makes me happy camper. Now, WDC seems to be the only one we lost money on this week. So let's find out what happened with WDC. WDC is Western Digital Corporation. Now, Western Digital Corporation started out the year at a low of 67.94. Traveled up to a trading range of 77 for about 2 months, and then into this 88 trading range for 9 months, and then I keep saying and then, but it's what happens. Then at 92 she drops down to 76. Can you imagine that, going from 92 to 76? Well, we settle in at the 81 area, and we have WDC at the 82.5, 83. So we lost all our money on that one. That makes me an unhappy camper. So that's $1,100 loss on WDC. However, we don't win them all, but we're up 2,900 for the week. So that's 2.9% just for the week. Now remember, we're only shooting for 1% per week, but this week we got 2.9. So that all being said, let me see if I have any questions for you guys to answer, and then we will move forward to be cutting this short. I love short videos because they're quick, right to the point, and everyone's a happy camper. All right, let's get back to that one right there. Okay, so out of the 6 positions that we had this week, 5 of them were profitable, 1 was a loser, but we still walk away with 2.9% for the week. That is better than the average, and I'm going to check you guys out next week, or actually this Sunday, when we actually go through another whole week of trades all over again. So this is James from Dividend Stock Talk. We will talk to you on Sunday. Have a great day and enjoy your weekend.